In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Facebook cover photo in Canva. We'll start right from the Canva homepage, so go ahead and open Canva in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for the button or menu option labeled Create. This is usually near the top of the page and it's where you begin any new design. Click on Create to open up Canva's design options. After you click Create, a search bar will appear, allowing you to choose what kind of design you want to make. In that search bar, type in Facebook cover. As you type, Canva will suggest different formats, but you want the one specifically labeled Facebook cover. This ensures that your design uses the correct dimensions for a Facebook cover photo, so it will fit perfectly on your profile without being stretched, cropped, or cut off. Once you see Facebook cover appear in the list of options, go ahead and click on it. Canva will automatically open a new design tab or window with a blank canvas that's already sized correctly for a Facebook cover. This saves you the trouble of entering custom dimensions and means you're working with Facebook's recommended size from the very beginning. Now that your blank Facebook cover canvas is ready, it's time to choose a design starting point. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar with different tools and options. Look for the section labeled Templates and click on it. Templates in Canva are pre-made designs that you can fully customize, and they're a great way to get a professional-looking cover photo quickly, even if you're not a designer. When you click on Templates, Canva will show you a collection of designs created specifically for Facebook covers. You can scroll through these to find one that matches your style, your brand, or the mood you're going for. From here, you'll be able to select a template you like and then personalize it with your own text, colors, and images. And that's the basic setup for designing a Facebook cover photo in Canva. Create a new design, choose the Facebook cover format, open it, and head into the template section to begin customizing your cover.